Instagram has introduced a new feature that allows users to add small and floating notes bubbles on top of photos and videos. To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now select any reel or post where you would like to share your note. Tap on the paper plane or share icon of the post. From the menu that appears, tap on the Add Note option located in the bottom left corner. In this section, type the message you want to share with others. Then manage your audience preferences by tapping the drop-down arrow and selecting close friends or followers you follow back. Then tap Done. And finally, tap the Share button. That's it. Your notes will be shared on the post. This will be visible to your friends and followers for 3 days. If you want to delete any note from any post or reel, tap on the notes icon on that post or reel. From the pop-up menu, tap Delete Note. That's it. The note you shared has been successfully deleted, and will no longer be visible to your friends or followers. If you want to delete the note, but can't find it, go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap the 3 lines from the top right corner. Then go to Your Activity. And then select Notes. Tap on the post from where you want to delete your notes. Then tap on the notes icon. You can either delete the note, or leave a new note to replace the previous note. Type in the new note and share. You will then see that your new note has replaced the old one. So in this way, you can add notes on Instagram posts or reels.